Hi there guys, it's Gaz here on the GAZWORLD motorcycle channel. I'm here at CMC Motorcycles in Chesterfield in the UK. I'm just here to do a walk around review on this gorgeous retro vintage looking naked bike, and it's the 2022 Yamaha XSR 700. This particular one is called Historic Black Colour. They do another one called Historic White with your gold wheels and gold graphics. So let's talk about this engine. The engine is a CP2 689cc liquid cooled. It's double overhead cam, inline twin. And I know I've said it on previous videos, but with an aftermarket exhaust or an acro or something like that, with it being a twin engine, sound brilliant. So it's a 4-stroke 8 valve. It's a EU5 engine. It's got a power of 73 brake horsepower at 8,750 RPM. I'll just show you the ground clearance, which is 140mm. It's got 67 Newton meters of torque at 6,500 RPM, and it's got a top speed of an approximate 120 miles an hour. Got like a aluminium exhaust guard on the front. Got a wet weight of 188 kilograms. The front suspension is a telescopic front fork with 130mm of travel. You've got your 17-inch 10-spoke gold wheels with Michelin tyres. Nice metallic gold. Your front brake is ABS dual hydraulic disc with a disc size of 282mm. Nice stopping power with it being dual disc. If you like motorcycles, be sure to subscribe to the GAZWORLD channel. As you probably can see from my other videos, I do 4K close-up videos of all different motorcycles and brands, so be sure to hit the subscribe button. LED indicators all around. You've got your round vintage sort of style retro looking LED halo headlight. You've got an overall length of 2075mm. You've got a width of 820mm and a height of 1130mm. And your seat height is 835mm. To show you these graphics. Like I said, this historic black is like a metallic black. You've got silver and gold and white decals on tank. The petrol tank is a capacity of 14 litres. Nice aluminium badge on the tank. And this bike, if ridden sensibly, you'd probably get 60 miles to the gallon, 60 to 65 miles to the gallon on it, which is quite good. West side. You've got your round TFT screen, which again gives it that retro feel. New bike, but obviously trying to keep it retro, vintage look. I'll just go into suspension for you, and the rear suspension is a swing arm type monoshock with a travel of 130mm, basically the same as front. Rear brake is a hydraulic single disc ABS. It's got a disc size of 245mm. As you can see there, it's a Nissan caliper. Again, if you want to subscribe to the channel and be sure to share the video on social media, that would be brilliant to get my channel going. As you can see from the seat, it's like half leather and half suede, and you've got your XSR 700 stamped in your leather. LED rear tail light, same again, retro looking. LED indicators. Six-speed gearbox with wet clutch. If you like this Yamaha XSR 700, please contact the sales staff at CMC Motorcycles. It's 7,800 on the road. I'll put a link in the description below to their website, so be sure to check them out. They've got plenty of bikes in stock at the minute, including plenty of 2022 motorcycles. I just want to thank you again for watching on the GAZWORLD motorcycle channel. I've been Gaz, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.